Hey, everybody. When it comes to jewelry, I love the look of silver and I love the look of gold. So I decided that I don't have to wear one or the other, that I can wear both. If you start with a piece that already has the mixed metals, like this ring or this necklace, then to me, all the rules go out the window. You can do anything you want to. You can add bracelets with different color metals and stack them up, and you can see I'm wearing 3 again on this arm. I love this ring. I think I may wear it on that finger. So y'all stop thinking that you can only wear one or the other, because this is your world and you can wear what you want. If you're eating almonds and pecans, you can put them both in your mouth at the same time, can't you? So I hope you'll check out my jewelry on JTV and JTV.com.